Just stare at him. Stare at him.
Buffalo are kind of way better.
It's my favorite.
They're all good.
Is he looking at it? No. He won't. Just the birds, they're in my head.
It's like caw really loud.
Dude, I want to be a dick, but that guy running that country shirt is so fucking retarded.
That's a man! Is he looking at you?
We're really mature. I can change the slow for Eric. You're a bitch, man. Okay.
What just happened, guys?
Sorry, look at the birds is gone. Come on. No. Got my birds. No, I found it.
Ow! Friggin' plant.
Oh, there it is. Where's it? Where?
Are you guys really looking in the bushes for a clove of garlic that this one calls the birds?
Birds.
Chapter 2. Done.
I'm not.
I think sometimes I'm nice, but I'm honest.
Very attached.